Welcome to this breaking episode of SpaceX in the News. The first Starship prototype took flight just moments ago and leaped over another hurdle towards colonizing Mars. Together, let us watch with our minds popping and jaws dropping. I'm Kevin, and this is SpaceX in the News. Yesterday, Monday the 3rd, Elon Musk was in the Boca Chica control room as Starship SN5 was poised to make its maiden 150-meter hop. But after two attempts, the mission was scrubbed in the final seconds before liftoff. A Raptor engine turbopump spins start valve didn't open, triggering an automatic abort. We'll figure out why and retry tomorrow, tweeted Elon. This was the same issue that gave the SpaceX engineers a headache last week while trying to light up this 27th Raptor engine for a static fire test. And then earlier today, another attempt was made, but again aborted just prior to ignition. However, Elon said they would probably try again later today, and that they did, with a single off-center Raptor engine to boot, successfully soaring Starship into the sky in a kind of conquering elegance that proclaims the brutally honest truth of who dares wins. These clips are courteous of my good friend Lewis over at Lab Padre, so please be sure to use his link in the description and subscribe to his channel. The man deserves our manly love. SpaceX has yet to share their captured footage of the flight, but just wait, it's coming. Until then, just relish in the reality that Mars is looking real. Really good, okay? But Starship will also be doing several short hops in the near future to smooth out the launch process and then on to high altitude flights with body flaps. And even some touch and goes. Thank you all for watching, and thank you eccentric members and patrons who tuned in live with me to watch this history in the making. Until next time, Godspeed.